Why are extreme precipitation events happening more often? Imagine a world where rainstorms suddenly become more intense and more frequent than ever before. It might seem like the weather is throwing more surprises at us. But behind these changes lies a simple fact about how water moves through our planet. When the sun heats the earth, it causes water from oceans, lakes, and even soil to turn into water vapor and rise into the air. This process is called evaporation. As the atmosphere warms, it can hold more water vapor, about 7% more for every 1 degree Celsius of temperature increase. So, when the air is warmer, it can carry a lot more moisture than it used to. This extra moisture is like fuel for storms. When conditions are right, the water vapor condenses into droplets, forming clouds. If enough moisture gathers, it falls as rain or snow. With more water vapor in the air, these events tend to become heavier and more intense. That means when a storm hits, it can dump a lot more rain in a shorter amount of time. This is why the heaviest rainfall events, which are the top 1% of all daily rainfalls, are becoming stronger and more common. Certain regions, like the Midwest and Northeast of the United States, have seen big jumps in extreme rainfall. Some places have experienced a 40 to 60% increase in the amount of rain during the most intense storms over recent decades. This leads to more flash floods and water-related problems that can damage homes and infrastructure. Scientists also say that while heavy storms are increasing, moderate rainfall might actually decrease in some areas. This can cause longer dry spells between storms, making droughts worse. It also makes managing water supplies more difficult because the pattern of rain becomes less predictable. From the view of water science, understanding these changes helps us prepare better. Monitoring rainfall patterns helps predict floods and guides the design of stormwater systems and reservoirs. It also reminds us that we need to think about water management differently as the climate changes. In simple terms, the reason why extreme precipitation events are happening more often is because a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture. This extra moisture makes storms more powerful and leads to heavier rainfall during these events. It's a direct effect of climate change on the fundamental processes of the water cycle, changing how water moves and falls across the planet.